Today's lesson is Chapter 13, Lesson 6, Real World Problems, Addition and Subtraction. We'll begin with a warm-up, then we will learn to solve real-world problems using addition, then solve real-world problems using subtraction. We'll move into the problem of the lesson, and then solve real-world problems involving addition of three numbers. And we'll conclude by doing a put on your thinking cap activity. Let's begin with a warm-up. We're going to solve a real-world problem using addition. Mom and Frida are at the fruit stall. Mom buys 6 apples and 7 oranges. Frida buys 4 strawberries. How many fruits did Mom and Frida buy in all? So let's begin with what Mom bought. Mom buys 6 apples and 7 oranges. I'm going to use my 10 frame to help me organize my numbers. 6 apples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 oranges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Frida buys 4 strawberries. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's write our problem as an equation. We have 6 apples and, or we say plus, 7 oranges and, or plus, 4 strawberries. We'll begin with what Mom bought. Mom bought the fruit over here. She bought the apples and the oranges. So 6 and 7 make, this is where the 10 frame comes in handy, 10, 11, 12, 13. So Mom bought 13 pieces of fruit and Frida bought 4 strawberries. So 13 and 4, we've got our 13. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So 13 plus 4 equals 17. Let's go back to our problem. How many fruits did Mom and Frida buy in all? Mom and Frida bought 17 fruits in all. Let's move on to our second problem. Rose has 15 connecting cubes. Sean has 3 more connecting cubes than Rose. How many connecting cubes does Sean have? So up here, I have modeled Rose's connecting cubes. Notice how I organize by my 10s and 1s, just to make it easier for counting. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now Sean has 3 more connecting cubes than Rose. So I'm going to model Sean's connecting cubes. So Sean has 3 more than Rose, so he has 3 more than the 15 that Rose has. So I'm going to model the 15. So Sean has 15 and 3 more. So 15 and then 1, 2, 3 more. And to write that as an equation, I would say 15 and or plus 3 more. So we know the 15 and we count up. 16, 17, 18. How many connecting cubes does Sean have? Sean has 18 connecting cubes. We're going to solve real-world problems using subtraction. This problem is a problem we call subtracting to compare. So we're going to start with the problem. Emma has 13 stickers. Jermaine has 17 stickers. How many more stickers does Jermaine have? So we're not really taking anything away, but we're comparing. And in order to find the difference, we're going to use subtraction. And with subtraction, we always begin with the greater number. So here are Emma's. These represent Emma stickers, and these represent Jermaine stickers. So Jermaine has 17 stickers. So we're going to start with the 17 because 17 is greater. And Emma has 13. So in order to find how many more he has, we're going to subtract Emma's. So 17 minus 13 equals the difference. So what I like to do is I like to match them up to make sure I'm being accurate. Because I want to know how many more does Jermaine have than Emma. So how many more does he have? 1, 2, 3, 4. We write this as a subtraction sentence. 17 minus 13 equals 4. So let's go back and answer the question. How many more stickers does Jermaine have than Emma? Jermaine has 4 more stickers than Emma. We're going to solve real-world problems using subtraction again. So let's find out our problem. Mike lives on the 14th floor. He lives 11 floors higher than Nora. On which floor does Nora live? So here's Mike. Mike lives on the 14th floor. So we have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. He's on the 14th floor. And he lives 11 floors higher than Nora. So we want to figure out on what floor does Nora live. He lives 11 floors higher than Nora. So he's up higher than her. So we're going to see if he's 11 floors higher, then we're going to need to see, get rid of 11 floors here for Nora, right? So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Now notice I didn't really take them away. I just made them so you can't see them quite as well because I'm not really taking away, I'm just comparing. So I write that as a subtraction sentence. Mike lives on the 14th floor and Nora is 11 floors lower than Mike. So we're going to take away the 11 floors. You see, we're taking away those 11 floors. So 14 minus 11 equals, what floor does Nora live on? 1, 2, 3. So we say Nora lives on the 3rd floor. Let's walk through this one more time. Mike lives on the 14th floor. He lives 11 floors higher than Nora. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 floors higher than Nora. So which floor does Nora live on? That's right, the third floor. This kind of problem's a little tricky. So now that we've been working with problems that compare, we're going to see if we can find the equation that goes with this next problem. So let's find the problem. Henry makes 19 valentines. Beth makes 7 fewer valentines than Henry. That means she makes 7 less than he did. How many valentines does Beth make? So let's look at our model. We have the 19 valentines that Henry made, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Beth made 7 fewer than Henry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 fewer than Henry. So how many valentines did Beth make? 10, 11, 12. Which of these equations has 12 as the answer? Right, so it's the subtraction problem. 19 minus 7 equals 12. Hopefully these are starting to make a little sense to you.